Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina, and today we're going to be doing an eyebrow routine video. I use very little product. It is very simple. Everything is literally under 100 rand that I use. Maybe even under 50. Yeah, I think so. So if you're interested in watching this video, then well, keep watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you enjoy it. I'm not short, but like I need some assistance. So if you see me like wobbling and bobbling, it's because I'm sitting on like 12 pillows and I might fall over. Okay, let's get this video started, darling. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I would have done the introduction by now with eyebrows on. If I haven't, then hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing eyebrows. So the products that I like using are the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in O2 Hot Chocolate. I love this stuff because it's extremely cheap and it works. It does the job, it does the things, it finds the pots. And I like using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn because hello, who doesn't use this? Are you even a YouTuber if you don't use LA Girl Pro Conceal? And especially in the color Fawn. No, you're not. And then I also like to use a concealer brush. This is some concealer brush I got from downtown. I love this brush because it's lasted me forever, and I think I bought it for like 22 rand or something like that. So everything that I use is super affordable. You do not need to go out there and buy 300 rand eyebrow pomade in order to make this work. Trust me. Whatever you have can probably... Why do I have residue on my face? Ignore the residue, guys. Okay, so what we're going to start out with is combing out the eyebrows. So yes, you will also need a spoolie. I would highly suggest, I've always said this, always said this, and I will always forever and ever say it. The easiest way to do your eyebrows is to first have them groomed. Unless you literally have zero eyebrows and there's nothing on your face, then you cannot get away with not grooming your eyebrows before you do them. And by grooming, I mean waxing, tweezing, threading, whatever it is you do in order to get your eyebrows into a certain shape first. You have to do that first. Now mine look a bit ungroomed because they've grown out now. So luckily for you, if you do not groom your eyebrows, this tutorial is still for you. So my eyebrows have grown out a little bit, but we'll still make it work. So I'm gonna start out with the spoolie. Actually, I'm just gonna tweeze one or two eyebrows. I haven't tweezed in forever. I don't think I've ever actually tweezed, have I? I think I've had people tweeze me, but I don't think I've ever tweezed my own eyebrows. So I'm just gonna tweeze one or two eyebrows and then come back to you guys with the spoolie. One more product I forgot to mention is the Essence Shape and Shadow Kit. Now I got this as a press drop from Essence a while ago. As you can see, it's super old, that's why there's all of that nonsense there. But focus. I got this a while ago, and unfortunately they don't have this in stores apparently, because I know I spoke about it. I think I spoke about it on, yeah, I've spoken about it before on my channel. And Sino, you guys must know Sino by now if you follow me on Instagram. She's been searching everywhere for this Essence palette and she can't find it. So I don't know whether it is the fact that you can't find it in South Africa, that you can't find it in PE, or you can't find it nationwide. If you've seen this palette in stores, please let me know, because it seems like it's only bloggers that have this, and it irritates me because I really like it. So you can't just be sending me things that I must talk about and then no one else can get them. Hello, Essence. So please let me know if you guys can find this in stores anywhere other than in PE, because it is actually a really good palette for your eyebrows. I'll try my best not to use it today just because it's unavailable, and I want to be able to use things that you can find. So I'll be going in with the Essence eyebrow Essence brown eyeliner, like I said. So what you want to do is, first of all, be very, very light with your strokes, okay? Take your time. My eyebrows take probably, if I'm doing my makeup in an hour, my eyebrows will probably take the first 15 minutes, and that's eyebrows alone. So take your time, don't rush things, and you will get that perfect brow. So I like to go in to the edge here with my eyebrow pencil at the bottom, and then at the top I don't like to go all the way till the end there because I find that it boxes up your eyebrows. So instead of going in with the eyebrow pencil up to the end over here in line with the eyebrow, I like to stop right here, and then the top part I shade it in rather than draw that in there. So I'm just going to take my spoolie that I got from the Essence palette and then just brush that eyebrow out. And as you can see now, that top part, this top part there is being like filled in or shaded in. Please do not try and make this step of your eyebrow filling perfect, okay? Because that's when you get the boxy eyebrow. So as you can see right now, it looks so imperfect, right? And if I was to walk out looking like this, I swear I would, oh my goodness, stop vibrating. Stop it. I swear I would end up in the newspaper somehow, some way. Heat magazine would even have a picture of me. Does Heat magazine still exist, guys? Please comment down below. Does Heat magazine still exist? Like that tabloid magazine thing? I don't think it does. But anyway, you just so one thing I have noticed is I use different methods of filling out my brows depending on what kind of makeup look I want to go for. So hiccup. So sometimes I find that I'll go in heavier with the pencil if I'm trying to go for like a super dramatic look, so that it goes with the rest of my look. But if I'm going for a summery vibe, I tend to just literally draw a line down here below, not even all the way, probably just at the tips here. And then I don't even spoolie it out, do I? Yes, I do. I do spoolie it out a bit and then I'm done. So that's what I do every day when I go to work, because ain't nobody got time in the morning to be doing their eyebrows. No, I want to stay in and sleep that extra 15 minutes instead of doing my eyebrows. So this is the look that I would obviously go for because I'm going for a very dramatic makeup look. And that's why I would go for a look like this. But now, before I go on to the other eyebrow, I am going to clean it up using the concealer brush and the Pro Conceal. Another thing that I have noticed that I do is that when it comes to a dramatic eye, I like to go in with the Pro Conceal, which is obviously way lighter than my skin. But when I'm trying to go for that summery, not filled in, but filled in look, I go in with a foundation that is the same color as my skin tone so that you don't get that like halo effect that you won't be able to rub out because you're not doing super heavy makeup. So here I have on my brush the Pro Conceal, focus, the Pro Conceal, and I just put a little bit on so that it's not too heavy and you don't get that like super halo effect. And I like to start at the bottom because I find that if you shape the bottom first, it will be easier for you to shape the top of the brow. Okay, and then just to blur that line up so you don't have a harsh line, I like to use my finger. I would also highly suggest using a concealer that is that is lighter than your skin tone if your eyebrows are not groomed. So it just helps hide those little micro hairs that you may have, and just gives everything a really clean look. And then of course I go back in and then shape the top half. And there you have it. Let me just comb it out a little bit. Hold up. Let me just comb that out a little bit. Sorry, focus. Comb that out a little bit so that I get a more natural look, because I like to go for the more natural brow these days. Insta brows is so overrated. I'm joking. What you talking about, Willis? I'm joking. I just don't want an Instagram brow today. Okay. And there you have it, folks. That's literally how I fill in my eyebrows. Simple, super simple, super cheap. I think the Essence pencil is around 30 Rand. The Pro Conceal, I don't remember. I'll put it down below. And then a spoolie, you can literally go downtown to your nearest like store. Hello, focus, focus. With regards to the spoolie, you can literally get in any beauty store. And yeah, guys, that's how I do my eyebrows. I'm so sorry this video took forever. It's just that all the other videos that I did literally just were so no. They were so no. Anyway, let me do the other eyebrow off camera, finish off the rest of my makeup, and then I will come at you with the finished look. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is my eyebrow routine. That is my everyday eyebrow routine when I'm not looking to take my time or think about what it is I want to do. So I literally just use the Essence pencil, the LA Girl concealer, a brush, and I'm out of there. Let me know what you guys think of my eyebrow routine. My eyebrows are looking so uneven, but you know, it's because the camera's on as per usual, so let's just ignore that. Let me know how you guys feel about my eyebrow routine and what other products you guys use. I would like to do different eyebrow routines to show you how to use like pomades and gels, or is it called gels? I don't know, guys. But I want to show you guys how to use different products as well, because I do have different eyebrow routines for different days. This is more an eyebrow routine that I use when I want to do like a full face of makeup, but then I do use just powder when I want to do like an everyday going to work eyebrow routine. So if you're interested in a more natural look, then hit me up in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much. Why am I rushing? Relax, girl. Jeez. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Watch another video before you go, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Yeah.